Alright y'all, so disclaimer, if you're new to my channel, I really just be experimenting. It's a DIY channel, so everything from my home improvement projects to my hair projects, I'm just experimenting, sharing with y'all my experience. We'll see how things go. It's either a pass or a fail in most cases. I think this came out pretty cute. You can tell from the pictures. That's probably why you clicked on the video. But I'm starting with just straightened hair. My hair's already washed, blow dried, etc. And I'm splitting my hair into, you know, two halves, top and back. So I'm just going to get ready to start sleeking this down for a sleek ponytail. So I'm just taking this brush. The bristles are pretty sturdy. I don't like super soft brushes when I'm trying to get a sleek look. So all I'm doing is just taking the brush, trying to brush up the back because I want the ponytail to be a little bit high up. And I'm sorry, my camera, I'm a little tall, y'all, so my camera isn't getting all of the top of my head, so I'll do better next time. So once I get it brushed up into the position I want it, I'm just taking some of this Eco Styling gel to smooth it up, harden it up, you know. The only thing I hate about this process is my hair curls up so fast, so the Eco Styling gel, it like, you know, you have to put a lot in your hair to make it do what it do, but it also just makes my hair curl up. So y'all will see how that works out throughout this tutorial, but we're gonna go with it, roll with it, and just brush up the back. Okay, so once we've gelled up the back with the Eco Styling gel and got it into the position that we want, I'm just taking some of this Gots to Be, rubbing it over my hand and then slicking it up some more. I'm gonna brush it again and then I'm gonna reapply the scrunchie. So you kind of have to do this a couple of times just to get any flyaways, any hair that isn't kind of going in place. So you can see here it's brushing up, it's getting sleek, but you can also see my hair is waving up. That's just my hair texture. Let me know in the comment section if you can relate. So having curly, wavy hair sometimes is good. In this case, it's not. But we're going to keep trying. We're going to keep trying to get it together and get this as sleek as possible. And again, my channel is all about just like DIY hair stuff, home improvement stuff. So I'm just doing this just to kind of give me a, you know, just a little temporary look switch up and, you know, something easy, something quick to do. Okay, so once we got the back feeling good, we're feeling good about it, it's sleek enough, then we're gonna move on to the front. So I wanted to try this little 3-section thing that this YouTuber I watched, I can't remember her name. If I can, or if I think of it when I'm editing, then, or when I'm posting, then I'll link her information. But she did like 3 sections in the front to try to achieve that look where you have like 3 sections and 2 parts in the front. I'll show you what I mean. Had to go back in and brush my hair up because it just was like pieces were sticking out. But when we get to the front, I tried this tutorial or method based on another YouTuber and it worked out okay. But again, my hair is so curly, it curls up so fast, so you know, I did the best I could. Just watch. Okay, so as you can see now we're at the front, and so what I'm trying to do is make 3 fairly even sections in the top, trying to make the middle section, really the goal is to make the middle section like centralized, like not lopsided to one or the other side. So just taking a little second to get these parts right, as straight as possible, as even as possible. You can see like it's gonna be a little slight curve in my part, so just trying to make sure both sides are as even as possible. And it kind of took a while, not gonna lie, it took a while to try to get these parts straight. trying to get the sections as even as possible. This part definitely took a while. Okay, so once you got your parts all even, and what I did was, like, as you can see, I sectioned off the middle part, tied it up so that could be out of the way. Then I'm going to start sleeking down each side as best as possible. Ugh, look at the back of my hair. It's just waving up so much, and that's really not the look that I was going for, but we're gonna go with it. And you know, that was me talking to my daughter in the background who wanted to get something. And okay, so y'all can see a little bit that my scalp is a little dry, so I'm working on that. I'm going to be sharing some tips with y'all on that progress and kind of like what I'm using, what I'm doing to get rid of that. But yeah, so once I get my sections kind of smoothed a little bit, then I take another clump of Eco Styling Gel and just kind of clop it over that section, brush it down. And if you have curly hair like me, it's like my hair is natural. I might wear it straight a lot, but it's natural. So my curls are there once my hair gets wet, once the water gets to it. So same thing with gel. So it just starts waving up super fast. And so what I'm doing right now is I wanted like dramatic baby hairs, as you can see from the pictures, for this ponytail look. Because the ponytail is fairly simple, I just wanted something, you know, a little more drama. So take the baby hairs out. I wanted to do it before I put the gel in it, but I realized I'll just do like a curly baby hair look, because once the gel is on it, the hair starts curling up. So just take your time and do the best that you can to get your each side as sleek as possible. Like I said, I did the best I could. I'm not a professional hairstylist, but I have been doing my own hair for years. So, you know, I do the best that I can and just do it, you know, as long as you need to, until you get it to where you want it to be. So y'all, these ponytails can be a little tedious if you have curly hair like mine, because it's just not trying to cooperate. It really is not. So I'm just keep going in, brushing. And then once I get to a decent place, then I'm going to just put some more gossipy on there just to kind of hold it in place. So you may have to sleek it down, put some gel on there, put the ponytail on, take it off. I had to do that a few times just to get it as sleek as possible, and then in the ponytail. So once I got the two sides up, put those in the ponytail, and then I started gelling down the last section in the middle. And I don't know, I guess I need to put my monitor back on, y'all. So I moved. My setup is a little different, so that's kind of why I haven't posted in like 2 months, but I'm working on it. That's a whole story time there, but we're not gonna get into that today. So I don't have my monitor and my dang, you can't even see the top of my head, sorry y'all. But yeah, so you just sleek down, I just kind of put gel throughout this section and sleek it down piece by piece until it's as sleek as possible, just like the other sides. And just trying to make sure that you still see the part, because sometimes if you have curly hair, your hair might fall and then you can't see the parts, but the goal is to try to see the parts on both sides. And then I'm just going to take out some baby hair. Okay, and then once it's as sleek as possible, then you just add that into your ponytail. So what I did was I just used a few scrunchies. So I used the original scrunchie for the back, then I used a scrunchie to pull up the sides, and then I used a third scrunchie to add the top into it. So that's all you do. Once you have your final ponytail at the top, then you can go ahead and just make that as tight as possible. And so you can see the front, this top part right here is a little more sleeker and straighter and less curly than the sides, but I think that's because it's just going straight back versus the sides going up in like an angle. So I'm just spraying some of the Got2b spray all over my head just to kind of get this kind of rock hard so it don't move, because I'm gonna be wearing this for a few days. I'm like getting back on my fitness journey, doing my little Peloton rides and stuff. So I just want something sleek. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna stay in place because it's Got2b gonna make sure it stay in place. So now just put a scarf on there. You can use the wrap paper if you want. I have some, but I didn't feel like looking for it and all my stuff while I'm trying to move. So you put that on, let it sit for a minute while you do your braid. And I'm gonna do my baby hairs off camera. If y'all want a baby hair tutorial for this look, let me know. But I'm using this Expressions pre-stretch hair. It's you get 3 pieces in here, and it's the 72 inches. So I just wanted something that I don't have to add hair all the way down. I just put the hair on there and then just braid it down till that hair runs out versus adding hair. And that's not what I wanted to do for this. So this hair, like I said, came with 3 sections. I'm just using 2 of them, and I'm just going to connect these together with the rubber band. Just use the rubber band to kind of like tie it together, and then I'm going to add this to my hair. So I'm taking out a piece for the wraparound, and then I'm just going to go ahead and attach this to my hair. I hope the camera got it. Ooh, I had a feeling it wasn't. Kind of got it a little bit, but just like any ponytail tutorial out here, you can look, you just pull a piece out, wrap this rubber band around your hair to attach the hair. So this is not something I made up. It's something in like every tutorial. Okay, so this is the piece I'm gonna use for the wraparound. So I'm just gonna wrap that around all the hair first. Then I'm going to split. So wrap that around all the hair first. So now this ponytail is my hair underneath, and all the fake hair at the top. So it's all just one piece right now. So I'm wrapping this around, and then I'm going to split the hair that's out into 2 halves, making sure that like the fake hair is even on each side, and then my hair is even on each side, so that the each braids are even all the way down. So, you know, the top is going to be a little thicker because it has my hair in it. And then, you know, I just want everything to be even. So I'm going to split it in half and then braid each side. And I'm going to just let y'all watch that. Like I said, I did my baby hairs off camera. Let me know if y'all want like a little baby hair tutorial, but pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Spray some Gots to be on there, and then we about to do the final reveal. I hope y'all like this. I hope it gave somebody some inspo. Like I said, it's not perfect, but I'm a DIYer, so I just try things. I experiment on this channel, and then if y'all like it, y'all like it. I share my, you know, real opinions and feedback on stuff, and I will see y'all in my next video.